In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize meal and entertainment expenses in QuickBooks Online. If you want your books to stay clean and your expense tracking to be more accurate, this is a really useful process to learn. The goal is to create the right expense account first, then use that category when entering expenses, and finally make sure bank feed transactions are reviewed correctly so everything lands in the right place. To begin, go to the gear icon in QuickBooks Online and select Chart of Accounts. This is where you manage the accounts used to organize your financial activity. Once you're there, click New to create a new account. For the account type, choose Expense since meal and entertainment costs are business expenses. Then select Meals or Meals and Entertainment as the detail type, depending on the options available in your QuickBooks setup. Give the account a clear name so it's easy to recognize later when you're categorizing transactions. After that, click Save. Once the account is set up, you can start categorizing an expense manually. Click the plus Create or plus New button and select Expense. In the expense form, choose the payee, which would usually be the restaurant or other vendor. Then select the payment account, such as the bank account or credit card that was used to pay for it. In the category drop-down, choose the meals and entertainment account you just created. This is the key step that tells QuickBooks how to record the transaction in your books. Next, add a short description so the expense has useful context. Something simple like business meal or team lunch works well. Including a note makes your records easier to review later. You should also attach a photo of the receipt. That's a great habit because it keeps your documentation stored directly with the transaction, which can save time during reviews or tax prep. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. You can also categorize these expenses directly from your bank feed. Go to Transactions, then Bank Transactions. Find the restaurant charge in the list of imported transactions. Once you locate it, set the category to your meals and entertainment account. Then click Match or Add to place it into your books correctly. Use Match if the transaction already exists in QuickBooks, or Add if you're entering it from the bank feed for the first time. That's how to categorize meal and entertainment expenses in QuickBooks Online in a simple, organized way.